beauties. How are y'all today? I hope y'all are having a great day wherever you're at. Today we're going to be unboxing BoxyCharm, just standard base BoxyCharm. If you don't know about BoxyCharm, it's a $10 a month subscription where you get 4 to 5 sample size items. Occasionally you'll get a brush or something like, makeup brush or something like that. But otherwise you get sample size products. Believe me, they're worth it. So without further ado, let's get into this little bag and see what's in here, shall we? Alrighty. Okay, and as you can see, the bag is empty. So we'll put the bag down. Oh, and I mentioned brushes, didn't I? Well, howdy ho. There's a brush right there. Oh, it's pretty. You are like, pretty? What are you talking about? Okay, I'm going to show you what I mean by pretty. I don't know if y'all can see, but it's got like blue tips. Black brush with navy blue tips. Can y'all see that? Probably not. I'm worried that my ring light's kind of just letting that fade out, but it's really pretty. I like that. Anyway, this is a fair brush with it's a contouring brush where you can, contour your face, your cheeks, everywhere you contour with it. Your nose. It's a little wide for a nose, I think, but it can be done if done properly. But that's a really pretty fair brush. Now, Ipsy does not come with a little card that tells you what everything's worth in the $10 bag. Now, I may be wrong. They may have changed that. I don't know. But I don't remember one from last month, so I don't know. So anyway, without further ado, let's get into this Ipsy bag. This is cute. And it looks like it's the constellations up in the sky. Which ones? I don't know. I don't know the constellations. I know the Big Dipper, the Little Dipper, and yay. I think that's pretty standard for everybody. Okay, so Ipsy has a little card in here called Find Your Light. And some really cool stuff on the back, which I'll tell you in just a minute. Okay, yeah, I didn't think it did. It's got all the products right here that I got. It lists them all. There's no prices on them. No, there's not. It does say on the back, though, your Ipsy Glam bag just got better. Starting with the October Glam bag, enjoy these new features. Choose a product every month. Beginning on September 24th, you'll be able to choose one of your 5 Glam bag products. Then we'll build the rest of your box to complement your choice. Save the date. Pick up to 5 add-ons every month. You'll have access to more samples and full-size products of 100 plus brands at unbeatable prices. You get $50 plus of value in every Glam bag. We're investing more than ever in delivering you coveted favorites and exciting new brands to create the most delightful Glam bag experience. That's pretty cool, Ipsy. I like that. So let's move on, shall we? Okay. Next thing we have here that I see is the Murad Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture. Okay. And it's right there. Again, I don't have a price on it, and these are samples or deluxe samples. So let's see. Oh yeah, it's definitely a sample size. Murad's a good product though. I like Murad. And that's what's in there, just a little bitty thing full of cream. Doesn't smell like anything, so I don't know. But that's pretty cool. Oh, I just saw something I should have called y'all's attention, should have brought it to my attention. The zipper on this is so cute. I don't know, it's like a little stone. Isn't that cute? It's not a stone, it's plastic, but it's so cute. Ooh, I see something in here Mama likes. A beautiful lipstick, Ofra Madison Miller, called Oh My Rai Rai. Isn't that gorgeous? I don't know the color. Let me see if I can figure out the color for you. That is beautiful. It doesn't say. I don't know. That's really pretty. Ooh. Ooh, I like that color. I like that doe foot applicator. Let's look and swatch it. I'm going to put it on my hand. I do have swatches from my other videos, and if you didn't watch them, go back and watch it. It's my BoxyCharm video for the month, so go back and watch that. So see, there's the color right there, that pink. That's pretty. It's more of a mauvish pink. There you go. That is really, really pretty, though. I like that. I would wear that. I like it. I cooked dinner. I can smell the garlic bread cooking in the oven. It smells good. Lovecraft Beauty Bronzer. Now, a while back, before I went on my vacation in June, we got a Lovecraft Beauty blush set, which I have to admit to you, I love it. I personally loved it. I still use it. I love the hell out of it. I use it a lot. I'm not going to lie, I use the hell out of that thing. So, Lovecraft Beauty has been really good to me. Okay, that's really cute. It's a bronzer. that's a pretty color. That's a nice bronzer. Probably even for me. Oh, that's a perfect shade for me, actually. There it is. I don't know if y'all can see it right there. No, I'm not shooting the rod at y'all. But there it is. That's a really pretty bronzer. I like that. It's got a little mirror on it, which I really like, too. We're going to close that. That's really cute. That's a small one. And you're thinking, but that's just a travel size or whatever. It might be, but that's going to last a while. Okay, this is going to probably last a couple of applications, but it's okay. Smashbox Studio Skin 24-hour wearing hydrating foundation. I do love Smashbox, and I do like their products. I love their Photo Focus. I think it's called their Photo Finish Primer. It's fabulous. So let's test this little product out right here on my hand and see if it blends well into my skin, if they got the color match right. Holy Jesus, they did. You can't even see it, can you? Right here on my hand right here. It blends in so perfectly. That's awesome. I didn't know if it'd be the right shade or not, and it's perfect. Perfect shade. That's really pretty. And on my fingers it doesn't really work very well, but it's the perfect shade. Oh, I don't need makeup on my glasses, that's for sure. Okay, there we go. I don't know what shade it is. Oh, shade 216. I don't know. It works. I like it. It's shade 216, if y'all can see that. That's a small one. That's only going to work a couple of applications, but it's still pretty good. I like that. And a little goes a long way with Smashbox, so that would work out a lot. So, guys, that's it for my little Ipsy Glam bag. Now, the little bag is empty, as you can see. I do collect these little bags. They're really cute. I love them. They're really, really cute. So, anyway, that's that, guys. I'm going to set that down. That was my Ipsy Glam bag plus video. Again, Ipsy Glam bag. I'm sorry. Ipsy Glam bag, not the plus. Ipsy Glam bag plus video is next. Ipsy Glam bag is... Yeah, Ipsy Glam bag. Ipsy's $10 a month. Be sure you check them out. They're really good. They're really reasonable. Trust me, it's fun. You get a lot of cool products to work with. And for $10 a month, hey, at least you're getting good makeup. I mean, if nothing else, you're getting makeup. Whether it's trial size or not, you're still getting stuff. So give it a whirl if you want to. It's worth it, I promise. I've had it for a while, and I love it. I wouldn't go back. I wouldn't leave them. I've tried to quit them a few times, and every time I do, I feel bad, and I go back to them. So, it is what it is. All right, guys. Well, there's that. And if you didn't watch my other video, I am going to do a giveaway when I hit 750 subs. I don't know what the giveaway is going to be yet. As soon as I know, I'll let you know. I haven't decided. I was thinking maybe some makeup products or something of that nature. It is not the Norvina palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. That's when I hit 800 subscribers, which I've been trying to get to. But it will be some sort of giveaway. I just don't know what right now. I'm still thinking what I want to give away. If you have any ideas of what kind of giveaway y'all want or something that you think would be a good gift for a giveaway, let me know. But right now, I don't know. So, anyway, I gotta go finish dinner because I can smell my garlic bread cooking in. I like it crunchy. I don't, or crispy, like crunchy, yeah. But not burned. So I gotta go make sure it's cooking right. So I'll see y'all later, guys. Be good. Besos.